The whole issue of the electromagnetic radiation harming you is, in my opinion, a red herring. In the sense that we've been studying it, and I've been following academic articles on the topic for now a period of about 20 years. And there's really been large studies done trying to see whether electromagnetic radiation can do harm to you. And most of those have found absolutely no evidence, and where there's been the one or two scary ones where they try to repeat it, they cannot repeat it, which scientifically means there was most probably just a statistical bias in doing that specific experiment. The biggest potential damage that electromagnetic radiation can do to you is it heats. Your microwave works at almost the same frequency as your cell phone. So clearly it can heat you up if there's a lot of the energy, but your cell phone just sends out so little, and they check that it's not enough to heat anything to do any damage to it. Now the part that always astounds me is that people are concerned about, say, base stations being in close to their homes, or in a townhouse complex, or in a school where the kids are. And that part certainly is false. And the reason for that's very interesting is that the cell phone network adjusts the signal on your phone itself. So if the signal is strong, your phone transmits much lower levels of signal. Now clearly, if you hold this next to your head, this thing is this far from your head, and the radiation from this phone is about 10 to 100,000 times stronger than the radiation from the cell tower. So the cell tower is not the thing that will harm you, it's your cell phone that will harm you. And since the cell tower being close by will turn this guy down, it will actually make you safer to have a cell phone tower close to your house or close to your kids' school. They will have much less radiation when they talk to the phone. And that's a scientific fact. So the cell phone towers is not going to be the harmful thing. Rather watch for the phones. There's certainly, I mean, they get made so that they don't do too much of the radiation which could be damaging. There's specific tests that gets done. But if you're happy enough to use the phone, don't worry about the tower.